What's going on, guys? This is Kevy Kev's Hobbies and Adventures, and today we're doing a NBA Hoops Premium Stock box break. Probably my last until I guess the new stuff comes out. So let's see how lucky we can get it from this box. In here we're looking for blue cracked ice prisms, purple prism exclusives for this box, and a whole bunch of other rare and numbered cards, gold cracked ice, and etc. etc. So let's see what presents this box holds for us. This pack feels, I'm not sure. You know what? I'm just gonna open it anyways. No, I'm saving this one. It feels chunky. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. Danilo Gallinari. Colin Sexton, Karl Anthony Towns, Andre Robinson, Brandon Clark, Naz Reid, Nickeil Alexander-Walker rookie, blue cracked ice, and a Donovan Mitchell lights camera action. Kyrie Irving, Matthew Dellavedova, Chris Middleton, DeAndre Fox, Terrence Mann, RJ Barrett rookie, very nice. It's a nice hit right here. Let's see who we got for the blue cracked ice. We have Karl Anthony Towns. And then we have a class of 2019, Cam Reddish. Let's see if we can get an auto out of this box, get lucky. Bam Adebayo, Blake Griffin, John Wall, Devin Booker, PJ Washington rookie, PJ Washington Jr., base rookie card, tribute Damian Lillard, Miles Turner, blue cracked ice, and a Buddy Held. Oh, nope, that's the one I'm saving for last. This one feels different too. I think it's just my mind hoping and wishing that something's gonna come out of it. James Harden, Dwayne Bacon, Dwayne Bacon. Almost said Devin Bacon. Jabari Parker, Michael Bridges, Jordan Poole, Al Horford, blue cracked ice Phoenix Suns Michael Bridges, and Wesley Matthews. Kevon Looney, Bismack Biyombo, TJ Warren, Derek White, Justin James, rookie, Harrison Barnes, blue cracked ice, same guy, Andre Roberson, and Kevin Love. Uh-oh. Malik Beasley, Jaylen Brown, Aaron Gordon, Troy Brown Jr., Cameron Johnson, rookie, Shaquille O'Neal tribute, Justice Winslow. Nice looking card. And Trae Young likes camera action. This is a better card. It looks really nice too. This is some sort of white. I think this is pretty rare. I'm gonna look at the back of the box. I think the whites are actually pretty rare. Shea, Larry Nance, Dennis Schroeder, Derek Favors, Tremont Waters, rookie, Jonas Valanciunas. That's who this is. Rookie, cracked ice, Kendrick Nunn. Very nice. Very, very nice. This I like. And then we have an arriving now, Matisse Thybulle. So far this box has been I really like the Kendrick Nunn. Other than that, it's just been I've had better boxes. Well, we'll see. It's not finished yet. I shouldn't talk so soon. Maxi Kleber, Gary Harris, JJ Redick, Brook Lopez, Jalen Noel, rookie Kobe White tribute. Bam. And a Thon Maker, blue cracked ice, and a Frank Ntilikina. All right, for the last two packs, the ones that felt a little chunky. Come on, chunky pack. Avery Bradley, Kevin Knox. Oh, I see something. I see something coming. Serge Ibaka. Raptors. He's not on the Raptors anymore, but this is going to my PC. Luka Samanic. You know what I like? That there's no upside down cards in these boxes so far. Mario Shayuk, rookie. And then, oh, I see something very, okay. Oh, there's an upside down card. Paul George. Green. Cracked. Oh, it's not even a crack. That's just a green prism. Still a nice card. Decent hit. Now for the other card. I don't know what this is, but... Oh, Kevin Durant. Woo! Okay, I like that. Look at that. This is the cracked ice. Blue cracked ice. Kevin Durant prism. Brooklyn Nets, first year in Brooklyn Nets jersey. And then we have underneath it a Quinary Witherspoon. And for the final pack, the one that I thought, the one that I was the most suspicious of. Let's see if we can make this box worthwhile. So far, I've gotten maybe 2 decent pulls. There's Kevin Durant and even the Paul George, sorry, is decent, but the Kendrick Nunn and the Kevin Durant are my 2 best pulls out of this box so far. So let's see. Wish me luck, guys. Domantas Sabonis. Jordan Clarkson. And this Cantor. DeAndre Jordan. Come on now. Come on now. Bryn Forbes. All right. We got 2 in a row coming. One that looks green. Come on. It's messing with me. Let's look at the back card. Class of. Yes. This is a nice little hit right here. DeAndre Hunter. Class of 2019. Now let's get this card out of the way. There we go. And it's upside down, figures. All right. Green prism. Kendrick Nunn, second one. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to cry about this box. And then let's see what the last card is. It is a... Tell me something nice. Come on. John Wall. Not bad. Okay. Decent box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I'll see you soon.